आमचो सुदीन ढवळीकार ओपोजिशन लिडर चर्चिल आनी हांवें एक तांकां रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिल्लें. रिप्रेजेंटेशन अशें आशिल्लें की हें बजेट सेशनान डिमांड्स येतात, डिमांड्सान अश्युरन्सीज येतात. ही सगळी अश्युरन्सीज डिमांड्स वील बिकम वायलेटीव ऑफ द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, because by then the model of code of conduct for the 5 municipal elections will be in force. So our suggestion to them was, pass your budget in a vote on account and then adjourn the house, not sine die. Just postpone the house with the entire business being transacted after the results are announced of the 5 municipal elections, so that it will not be violative of the code of conduct and the spirit of a level playing field as desired by the Election Commission of India. Chief Minister is adamant. He doesn't seek anybody's advice. He says, no, this has got nothing to do. We will go ahead with the session. So there are in certain cases directions which have been given by the Election Commission of India with regard to such things, including one direction which says that counting has to be simultaneous. But the government seems to throw rules to the winds, is not bothered about judicial intervention, and has not learnt any lesson after it got an egg on its face in the Supreme Court. So it is very clear that the government wants to bulldoze, in spite of the fact that the government is getting a very low ratings as far as approval rating from the public. ह्या दिसांनी सरकाराची घाण जाल्ली आहा, सरकाराच्या तोंडाचेर थापटां पडल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडच्यान, जावन पसून सरकार लिसांव शिकना, सरकाराची दादागिरी चालूच आहा. तांकां कांयच खंयचोच मुद्दो डिस्कस करपाचे पसून हें ना, आनी दे जस्ट वॉन्ट टू बुलडोज इट. आनी दे आर इवन ट्रायंग टू अमेंड द रूल्स ऑफ बिजनस, एंड दे हॅव टोल्ड अस दॅट दे आर ट्रायंग टू अमेंड द रूल्स ऑफ बिजनस. बेसिकली सगळें शॉर्टन करपाक हो सगळो हें आहा. सो दे आर डुईंग अ बीग डिससर्वीस टू लेजिस्लेटीव डेमोक्रेसी. दे आर किलिंग डेमोक्रेसी ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स and in the house, and in this BAC they are trying to kill democracy in the legislative assembly, which is the temple of legislative democracy in Goa.
तुम्ही व्ह्यूज किती घातलेले तुमच्या मांडलेले?
हांव दिता मरे तुमकां. आमचो बेजीक मुद्दो असो आहा की एसेंब्लीच्या सेशनान बजेट सेशन जेन्ना प्रेजेंट करतात तेन्ना खूब एश्युरन्सीज येतात. एश्युरन्सीज वील एंटेल वायलेशन ऑफ द मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. जर तुवें सांगलें की आपूण हो रस्तो करतलो, थंय इलेक्शन चालू आहा, हें अनाउन्समेंट ऑफ रस्तो करतलो वील ऑल्टर द लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड. सो देरफॉर आमी मागताले की हें अशें जावंक जायना म्हणून, पूण तें सरकार आयकूंक तयार ना. तो म्हणटा कांय लागना आपल्याक, तें बजेट सेशन चलतलें, SCC जेन्ना अपॉयंट जातलो तेन्ना तो करतलो म्हणून.
डू यू प्रेडिक्ट दॅट हें सगळें बेगीन जाता, देर मायट बी असेंब्ली पोल्स अर्ली?
See, he should tell me if he's trying to bulldoze things to run away from Goa or run away somewhere else. What is going to happen? People are going to know it. In any case, this government is a government of certified cheats. That is what the Supreme Court has said. So what is new in it? Footing the footing. सारखे काढतात footing म्हणून तुमकां लायसन्स दिल्लें आहा, तुमकां हें दिलां, लेबल दिल्लें आहा सुप्रीम कोर्टान, सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान. आनी कितें उरलां? हें सगळें जें कितें चल्लां तें फक्त लोकांची तोंडां बंद करपाक, तांकां लोकांक घालपाक तोंडाक, हें तांचें कारस्थान.
So even then if it works and it still goes ahead, then how would as an opposition?
See, we will do what we have to do. We will examine this issue, because there are certain directions from Election Commission of India when it comes to certain other polls. We will legally examine this. Opposition united आसतलें even in this issue, that election हें सेशनूच फुडें व्हरचें म्हणून, without altering the question ballot or any other business. Everybody is united, including Churchill has signed on this. So that way the spirit of the people to have unity, to oust this anti-people and undemocratic and communal and corrupt government is, I think everybody knows it. Because if you are going to go against the trend, against the sentiment of the people, then you are going to also meet your political grave soon.
आनी एक विशय म्हणटा पळय तो काल रिजर्वेशनाचो इश्यू ऑलरेडी येयलेलो आसा. आर यू सॅटिस्फायड एंड एट द सेम टायम ऑल द काउंटिंग शुड बी हेल्ड टुगेदर?
100% it has to be held together. We have written to the state election commissioner, but there is no state election commissioner to answer. The governor is sitting in Maharashtra. You can't. There is no appellate constitutional body whose doors we can knock for justice. This is the problem in Goa because they are trying to kill democracy and this is a systematic attempt to kill democracy.
सो फक्त वोट एंड अकाउंट घेवन मागीर
अरे आमी कितें म्हणटात मॅन्डेटेड कितें आहा 31 मार्चाचे पयलीं बजेट पास जावपाक जाय. तुजें बजेट पास कर, वोट ऑन अकाउंट घे आनी पास कर. पयल्या दिसा ना दुसऱ्या दिसा. ताजे फुडें जो सगळो बिझनेस आहा तो रिजल्टाच्या दुसऱ्या दिसाच्यान स्टार्ट कर. आमकां खबर ना इलेक्शन केन्ना जातलें तें, आमकां खबर ना रिजल्ट केन्ना जातलो. जे दिसा रिजल्ट जातलो ते दुसऱ्या दिसाच्यान स्टार्ट कर. तशें स्टार्ट कर. आमी म्हणना ते ऑगस्टान व्हर म्हणून. कळ्ळें तुका न्ही. आतां अशें आसूंक शकता की सरकाराक ही 5 म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाची इलेक्शनाच घेवंक नाका. तशें आहा जाल्यार सांग म्हणून हांवें सांगलें मुखेलमंत्र्याक. विचारा ताका भायर येतना. तुका विचारलेलें काय म्हणून हांवें विचारलेलें ताका. तुजे तकलेन तें बी आहा काय म्हणून. दॅट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फॉलो द सुप्रीम कोर्ट गायडलायन ऑफ एप्रील 30th. अशें बी तुजे तकलेन आहा काय म्हणून. कित्याक आसूंक शकता द मॅनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट्स वीच आर थीक स्किन्ड दे डू कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट. करतात खूब जाण आहा.
मी एक डिमांड केला की जे असेंब्ली आसा ताजे बजेट जे मांडटा ते 24 तारखेक मांडचें, बजेट पास करून घेवचें आनी असेंब्ली मुखार धाडची. जी इलेक्शन आसा आमची त्या नंतर असेंब्ली घेवची अशें आमी मागलां. विच इज टर्न आउट बाय देम आनी त्या खातीर आमी मागीर मुखार वतले. आतां मुखार म्हणजे आमकां मागीर हाका लेटर करतले कोणा गव्हर्नरा, त्यानंतर स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशनाक लेटर करतले. तांचो स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशन अजून बसूना. त्या खातीर आमकां एट दीस मोमेंट वी कांट टेल एनीथींग. जो रिजर्वेशन आज आयलां तें रिजर्वेशन सुद्दां कशें आसा इट डिपेंड्स ऑन जी मतदार यादयेंतूच आनी घोळ केल्लो आसा. पयलीं म्हणजे जे वार्डांत जी मतां आसपाक जाय ती काडल्या आनी दुसऱ्या वार्डांत घातल्या. हय डेफिनेटली आय गॉट अ डावट. कारण तांणी मतदारां दोनशे मतां काडल्या आपल्या जाय ती. ह्या वार्डांत जर नाका ती काडल्या आनी दुसऱ्या वार्डांत घाल्या. आनी त्या बेज्ड ऑन दॅट रिजर्वेशन कशें जातलें जावंक शकना. कोवीड केसीस वाडटा त्या खातीर सरकाराक आतां आमी निदर्शनाक हाडलां आतांचे BSC मिटिंगे आनी ताणें फाल्यां पर्यंत आपूण कितें तरी एक्स्ट्रा कितें तरी करपाचें तें थारायता म्हणून सांगलां. हांव एट दीस मोमेंट फाल्यां ताचो स्टेटमेंट आयले नंतर म्हजी पत्रकार परिशद फाल्यां 11:30 आसा. तो पर्यंत खुबश्यो गोश्टी कळटल्यो.
कमिटीक आमी स्पिकराक रिक्वेस्ट केली की आतां इलेक्शन अजून काबार जावंक ना. ह्या म्युनिसिपालिटीचें इलेक्शन काबार जाल्या बरोबर दुसरे 5 उरलेले म्युनिसिपालिटीचें इलेक्शनाक 30 सप्टेंबराक असो सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो जजमेंट आहा. एनी टायम म्हणजे आज ऑलरेडी काल तांणी नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू केला फॉर रिजर्वेशन. तें नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू जातकीर 8-10 दिसा भितर फॉर इलेक्शन तो इलेक्शन नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू केलें. सध्या 22-23 तारीख पर्यंत कोड आहा, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आहा. 24 तारखेच्यान किंवा 23 तारखेच्यान दुसरें नोटिफिकेशन जालें जाल्यार कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट वील कम इन टू प्रॅक्टीस. सो वॉट वी आर सजेस्टेड होल्डिंग एन असेंब्ली सेशन ड्युरिंग द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट इट सेल्फ अमाउंट्स टू ब्रीच ऑफ इलेक्ट्रल प्रॅक्टीस. बिकॉज कशें जाता बजेट प्रेजेंट करता. बजेटान एक्चुअली चीफ मिनिस्टर शूड नॉट डिक्लेअर न्यू स्किम्स. देट इज अ सेट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. नवे स्कीम डिक्लेअर करपाक जायना. After the scheme, you can speak, and then we suggested to him that you present the budget like this, then take a vote on account, and then adjourn the house to meet after the voting is over, somewhere on whatever date election commission fixes. Now he did not agree with. Chief Minister did not agree with this, and he said that no, he will go ahead with these like that. But I still feel that he should reconsider his decision. Because this is directly because normally there is a practice followed everywhere, even in Karnataka, where anywhere, any states also, when the elections of local bodies are going on, normally assembly session this time also they had fixed the assembly session on 24th. Why? Because counting was to be completed by 22nd. So after the counting, the election assembly session was called for. Now because of this High Court matter, Supreme Court matter, elections of 5 municipalities have gone ahead. So it should have been actually after the elections are over, the assembly should continue. Budget has to be passed before 31st March. So we suggested to him that you pass the budget, you present the budget without any new schemes, new programs, and get it approved on vote on account on 25th. Adjourn it to meet again after the counting is over.
पण तुमच्या आयकॉना मग तुम्ही इलेक्शन कमिशन कडे मेळटले.
No, we are taking now, we are considering all the options. We will consider all the options.
Okay,
If required, we will again call on the Chief Minister, all party delegation. This time, we are given in writing also. We are given in writing to the Speaker, be signed by me, Churchill Alema, Vijay Sardesai and Sudhin Davlikar. All four members of the Business Advisory Committee have given this letter to the Chief Minister, to the Speaker.
So once government has called for the assembly, postpone the
It can be adjourned. Speaker has all the powers to. You adjourn it either synod or you adjourn it to meet again on the particular day. Who party gala? Ami gala mare. How Chief Minister asana we have done. You don't remember? Accident asana we had adjourned it to meet and we had adjourned it synod also.
Sir, अनेक issue म्हणटा पळय तो what did they say, how much you are concerned as far as COVID cases increasing?
COVID cases, in fact, today during the discussion, we had suggested to Chief Minister to take strict actions because number of deaths yesterday were 4. Today again number of death is 1. Today the cases had, somebody was telling us that the cases have gone to 75. Yesterday it was 94 cases, 4 deaths. Situation is very bad. I am told that JMC is full, even district hospital is full. So this appears to be coming back again. So I think we should take precautions. All of us should take precautions. Safe distance and mask, sanitizer. That has to be used. If you are allowing the gathering, if you are having functions and all like that can create more problems.
Okay.
सर जसं पँकी म्युन्सिपल लीग आहा ते काँग्रेसाची थोडं विजय दिसला एज वेल एज
हांव तातूंत भितर म्हाका टायम मेळूना. हांव मडगांवच्या इलेक्शनाच्या बोवळाक आसा ताका लागून हांव पावूना. पूण आसा गिरीश गेला, आमचो प्रेसिडेंट गेला सांगता.
Are you also in favor that both the countings should be held on the same day?
That is a normal practice of the election commission, always. No? You everywhere you see. Now see, some elections are getting over in this month itself. But because of West Bengal election, they have said that counting will take place in the month of May. Then, so where is the question? Now, actually, now at the moment there is no election commission also. But still, we are writing to the election commission, asking them that we should hold a counting after the election for 5 municipalities are held. And we are again requesting the Chief Minister to see that this how assembly session is adjourned after passing the budget to meet again after the election counting is over.
Okay. Thank you.